Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, Manly Stuff with King Size. Today we're going to be cooking up some largemouth bass that I caught, and also we're going to make some coconut rice. So we're going to make the coconut rice and put the bass on top, and it's going to be fantastic. So what we're going to do, I'll show you all how we're going to make this rice. We got it boiling first, obviously. It's almost to a boil. All right, everybody, so let's get started on this coconut rice. What we're gonna use is sweetened coconut flakes. This is coconut milk, so it's just the Imperial Dragon. I made some last night. My kids are like, make it again. So I just used the rest of it and put that in there. And some blue agave and some butter. So this is about 4 or 5 tablespoons of butter. We're gonna put that right in the pan. Fire that up. Rice is almost to a boil, so once it gets to a boil, we'll cover that and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. So this is a real simple recipe, super easy, and it's super tasty. I'm gonna put about a cup to a cup and a half of coconut flakes. About right. Put about a 1/4 cup of agave in there. Give it a little bit of sweetness. You want to be careful not to brown or blacken it. You don't want to burn it. It tastes horrible when it's burned. All right, everybody, you see how it's starting to brown up real nice? Starting to get that sweet caramelization all over the coconut. Notice I'm keeping it moving so it doesn't burn. It's almost ready. That's about right where I want it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pour in about a 1/4 cup of the coconut milk. You'll notice that coconut milk, the whiteness leaves after it gets heated up. That's right where I want it, right there. Take that off the heat. If you can see that nice brown, toasted, caramelized coconut, just the smell is freaking amazing. Oh, so good. All right guys, let's get started on this largemouth bass. So this is the bass I caught last night. It was a pretty good size fish, obviously. We're just gonna pan fry it. We're gonna use the Chef Shammy garlic butter. This stuff is really tasty. I know you can get it at Sam's Club. It's super good. All right, so we got the butter pretty much melted in the pan, and we got everything where it should be. So you can see all that loveliness that's cooking up right there. Bass is a super mild fish. It's got not a lot of fishiness flavor to it. So it's super mild, white, flaky. You can see how it's starting to turn white around the edges and stuff. So while the fish is cooking, we're gonna pull this rice out. We're gonna put it into a big Tupperware and mix it up. Got our Tupperware out. There's all this white, fluffy rice. So heavenly. Okay, so let's dump it into here. Fish is cooking at an awesome pace. So we're gonna get a little fork and turn these over. Alright, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our coconut that we toasted before, and we're just gonna pour all that into the rice. And now we're just gonna kind of just fold it in. Now we've got the rice all mixed up. We've got to wait for the fish. That's almost done. So let's look at the fish and just take a little peek on the inside. Not quite. I just want to thank all you guys, every single one of you guys and girls, for subscribing, liking my channel. I've got a whole bunch of stuff planned. Got a whole bunch of things we're doing. It's going to be some fun videos to watch, so I appreciate you liking, subscribing. It's awesome. It really means a lot to me. So I appreciate that. The fish is done, so we're going to turn that off. Get a plate here. I'm going to scoop up a nice little portion of rice right here. Get a nice little. This is so flaky it's falling off hard. Alright, so do that just like that. See that? Oh, that looks awesome. Alright, let's taste it up. Awesome. Got the flakiness of the bass, very mild, and the sweetness of the coconut rice. Oh, so good. Well, appreciate you guys watching. Tune in for next time. We got a whole bunch of stuff coming up. Till then, we're gone.